look at that. Just want to capture the birds. There go my old job. Hey! What's going on? I was like, there go my old job. I was trying to get these birds. Yeah, that's one of my co-workers. I don't miss that at all. Yep, just trying to capture these beautiful birds out here. And this is the neighborhood I used to live in. Used to live right around the corner. Used to catch a many fish over here. Now it's like the whole lake is full of new houses. We used to have a lot of vacant lots like this one to fish in. But things change. So anyway, just wanted to capture that. Like the birds just having a little fiesta over there. They're pretty calm. Say a little storm's supposed to be coming. So we'll see.